Hey guys, it's time for another grocery haul. This is from Walmart. Of course, I used the pickup. I'm going to leave a code down below if you've never used the Walmart pickup where you can save $10. And I get $10. Who doesn't like to save money on groceries? We're actually going to start with the meal plan first. Now, my family knows I put these as days, but I have a bad habit of switching and moving things around. But this is for today, which you guys will see this on Friday, so this was started yesterday. So we're having build your own subs and chips tonight. Tomorrow I have grilled cheeseburgers and fries. We'll see. Saturday is left undecided. I have a feeling I may go get the stuff and do pizza egg rolls, but I'm not for sure. Sunday is grilled steak, sauteed mushrooms, baked potatoes, and salad. It is mine and Joel's anniversary, so we're going to celebrate at home. Monday is chicken gyros. That is a new thing for us. We'll see how that goes. Tuesday is spaghetti sauce over tortellini with garlic toast and likely salad as well. And Wednesday is Philly cheesesteaks and potato wedges. Alright, I have a doozy for you. I did go to Walmart, like I said in the intro. I spent $273, but there's a lot of basic things in here that we're completely out of or almost out of. One of them is toilet paper. We've got a case of Coke, some Gatorade. There is some Bengay. That is for my husband's feet. We're going to see if that helps a little bit. I got sticks of butter, some eggs, 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, a thing of crescent rolls. I think I'm going to do a breakfast casserole on Sunday along with hash browns. I don't ever tell y'all what I make for breakfast. I am trying this cinnamon bun or Cinnabon International Delight coffee creamer. I don't drink very much coffee, as I've told you guys, and I really wanted to try the s'mores, but they were out and they substituted that. I've never had that. We'll see. We'll see. This ham and turkey sub kit, this is what we like to use when we build our own subs. I have some provolone cheese and some Colby Jack cheese, 3 cans of Grand's, sour cream, a container of lemon juice instead of lemons this time. We're not using the lemons like we used to, and this lasts and stays a lot fresher than lemons. Chocolate syrup for chocolate milk, because these boys have been going through chocolate milk. That's why you also see 3 gallons of milk. The husband went and bought 2 gallons of milk on Saturday, and they went straight through those. We finished that up this morning, so 2 gallons of sweet tea, all the dog food, and the wet cat food. They both had plenty of dry. There is 4 baking potatoes here, 4 baked potatoes, some flour, because I'm running a little low. I will store this in my freezer, though, until I need it for sure. I have some Walmart's brand artificial sweetener. There are these frozen chicken patties. Those are for chicken biscuits one morning for the kids. 2 jars of marinara sauce, some Cool Ranch Doritos, and some Nacho Cheese Doritos. That is to go with our subs tonight. I have a pack of Checkers fries and some potato wedges, and I also have some frozen cheese tortellini and some Bluebell ice cream sandwiches, green leaf lettuce. That is 3 cucumbers. You know what? I went over all that meat and didn't show you. I'll go back. Green onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, tomatoes, 2 2-liters, Stephanie, just for you, of Code Red. Some chewy dips, and the chocolate chip this time instead of peanut butter, just for something different. Trash bags, foil, paper towels, sugar. I told you guys I was out of the basics. 1 loaf of honey wheat bread, 1 loaf of regular white bread, because we are completely out of bread. Some bacon pieces, 3 of the Italian seasoning packets, 2 of the ranch, I have some white Greek style pitas, some of these sausage rolls. I really wanted the hoagie buns, but they were out. These pretty much are the same thing. That's what we're going to use for our sandwiches for tonight. And then for Philly cheesesteaks, I got 2. I needed Cascade, and I don't like being even half a bottle low on Tide, and I got it from Walmart instead of ordering it from Amazon Prime this time. You guys, why didn't someone stop me? There is some bacon, 1 pound of lean ground beef. You're not going to be able to see this very well. Some thin sirloin tip steak, that is for Philly cheesesteaks. 2.25 pounds of lean ground beef, that is for cheeseburgers. 3 gorgeous looking ribeyes, that is for steaks on anniversary day. I'm losing the stuff here. And a ton of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That is the day that I do the gyros. We may have those tomorrow. And we can use the chicken for other things if there's any leftovers. So, that is all of my groceries. Thanks for hanging out with me for another very quick video. What are you cooking this week? And one question I do have is, do you want to see our meals in action? If you do, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I will start doing a what's for dinner video just to show you. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.